Welcome back to Pravyagna. This is Pranav, and today I'm going to make a recipe which is Indian by preparation, Chinese by category, and American by name. You must have guessed the name from the title. It's American Chopsuey. This Indian Chinese food has a name American on it just because of one key ingredient, the ketchup. Although there is another recipe in the United States with the same name, this recipe is noodle based while that one is a pasta dish. So let's get started. Take a pan and add some oil. Fry pieces of boneless chicken. You can add some salt and pepper to the chicken. Fry some prawns. This is optional. You can add some mutton pieces as well and make it a mixed non-veg version of it, but it's optional. Take a kadai or a wok and add some oil. Add chopped onions and fry it till it becomes soft. Then add some chopped capsicum, cabbage, tomatoes and carrots and fry them. Then add the fried chicken and prawns to it and mix well. Add some chili sauce and soy sauce. Add only a little. I made a mistake by adding soy sauce more than required. Add at least 2 cups of tomato ketchup. This is the main ingredient. Add some water and mix it well. Make sure the color is red. This one looks darker due to the excess soy sauce. Take some water in a bowl, add corn flour and make this milky mix. Add it to the kadai. This will make the curry thicker like a soup and it may give it an orangish tint. Add little sugar and vinegar. Lightly fry some spring onions or keep it raw, your choice. Fry an egg with a lot of oil so that it becomes crispy. You can either make fried noodles by frying boiled Hakka noodles coated in corn flour, or you can buy ready-made fried noodles like I have done here. Pour the chopsuey on the noodle if it's in one piece, or add the fried noodles to the wok or kadai. Garnish with an egg on top with green spring onions. It turned out to be a little sour than usual because of the excess soya sauce. Don't make the same mistake I have done here. If you add Szechuan sauce along with tomato ketchup, it becomes Chinese chopsuey. So try it and let me know. I have never tried making American chopsuey, but if you want me to give it a try, leave a comment below and stay tuned to Prav Yav Now. This is Pranav signing off. Tada!